Hello students, now we shall look at one numerical on estimating the material cost. So normally these kind of problems you will find in exam. A CI means cast iron stepped bar is shown in figure. So you can see this is a stepped bar, okay, and in the center you have got that hollow portion. That hatch line you can see continuously, 3 mm diameter. Taking density of Ci cast iron as 7.0208 grams per cubic centimeter, calculate unit of the component. Also, what is the cost of material if the cost of Ci per kg is rupees 100? So you can see this component. For ease of calculation, what is done? It is broken down into part A, part B, part C, and part D. Part D is the hollow part, center. And part A and part C are the stepped part. So we will find out the volume. Basically, first we will find out the volumes of part A, part B, part C, and part D. Okay. So you have to add volume of part A plus part B plus part C, and then from this you have to subtract part D because it is a hollow part. Now let us start with part A. These all dimensions are in millimeters. Okay, then we will convert them into centimeter. Okay, so when we multiply them, they will become millimeter cube. So when you divide this millimeter cube by 1000, you will get as centimeter cube because millimeter into millimeter into millimeter. So you will divide by 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000, to convert millimeter cube to centimeter cube. So volume of part A is equal to pi by 4 into d square into L. Pi by 4 into d here is 10 mm and L is 5 mm. So pi by 4 into 10 square into 5 is equal to 390 millimeter cube. So I divide this by 1000. So the volume of part A is 0.390 centimeter cube. Volume 2. Volume of part B. Again same. See, this is a cylindrical bar, stepped bar. This is cylindrical in nature. So because he has, please see, he has given diameter, dia 10, dia 3. So dia means it is a round bar, stepped bar. So pi by 4 into d square into L. Here d is 5 mm and L is also 5 mm. So pi by 4 into 5 square into 5, that is 97.5 mm cube. To divide by 1000, you get 0.0975 cubic centimeter. Now volume of part C, pi by 4 into d square into L. Here d is 10 mm and L is 5 mm. So pi by 4 into 10 square into 5, that is 390 mm cube. So I divided this by again 1000, so it is 0.390 centimeter cube. And the hollow port in the center, D, volume of part D is equal to pi by 4 into d square into L. Here L is 15 mm total length throughout. So pi by 4 into D is 3 mm diameter, 3 square into 15 mm length. So it is 105.3 millimeter cube. We divide by 1000, you get volume of diameter part D is 0.105 centimeter cube. So total volume of the stepped bar is VA plus VB plus VC minus VD, that is 0.39 plus 0.0975 plus 0.39 minus 0.105. You get the volume as 0.7725 centimeter cube. Okay. Now the unit of component is density into volume. Okay. The mass. Okay. The mass is equal to, density is equal to mass by volume. correct? Density is nothing but mass by volume. So mass is equal to density into volume. So 7.2 is the density given into 0.77, that is the volume. So you get as 5.56 grams. If you divide by again 1000, you will get as kilogram, 0.00556 kilograms. And in the problem itself, they are given that cast iron weights cost 100 rupees per kg. So multiply this 0.00556 kg into 100, you get rupees 0.556 as the cost of the component. So this way you can solve the problem. We find out the volume of various parts, part A, part B, part C, add them, and then deduct the volume of the hollow part, that is part D. Then we know the relation density is equal to mass by volume. So mass is equal to density into volume. So this way you calculate the density. You will get in density is given, so you will get the mass in grams. You divide that by 1000 to get in kgs, and then multiply with the rate of the cast iron given in kg. You will get the cost of the component. Thank you.